Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Please guys, ignore how my hair is looking like right now, okay? So like I promised in my previous video, I'm going to be making a DIY video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I made clove spray for my hair, and also I'm also going to be using it for my face too as a facial toner. So please do not go anywhere, stay tuned. Welcome back guys. So for this video I'm going to be using one very potent and powerful ingredient, which is clove. You guys are very familiar with this remedy. It's not new. So for this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually used it on my hair, like how I use it for my hair and for my face. So for the reason of this video, I'm just going to be making use of very small amounts. I'm not going to be making much. This method is so simple and easy. Like you can make it at the comfort of your home, anytime, anywhere. So the first thing I want to do is to actually wash it, not because there is sand or anything, but it's just to put our hygiene on point. So I'm just going to wash it. So right now I'm going to be pouring my clove seeds into my spray bottle because the other bowl I was supposed to use for the next process just got broken and I do not have anyone close to me now. Cloves is a very powerful antioxidant because cloves contains a compound called Eugenol that helps in treating acne by reducing inflammation and redness. Yes, and not only is it so good for the skin, it's also very good for the hair. Like it has a lot of health benefits both inside, on the inside and on the outside. So as you can see, after putting it into my spray bottle, then I put hot water. I'm gonna be soaking it inside the hot water, and thank God this spray bottle could actually handle the heat. So I'm going to be leaving it in here for about 24 hours to soak properly so that it can actually give me the desired color of the clove water that I want. It's 24 hours already, and as you can see, our clove seeds are soaked properly into the water. As you can see from a distance, the water is already dark brown, and yes, I'm already loving how it's already looking like. So right now I'm just going to sieve out the water out from the spray bottle into my glass bowl. This clove can also be used as a facial cleanser and a toner because it actually helps to exfoliate dead skin from the face, leaving your face clean and clear, guys. And it just has so many amazing benefits for the skin and also for the hair. It also helps to treat dandruff and itchiness from the hair, and it also helps to improve scalp circulation. Like I noticed that ever since I've been using this clove water for my hair, like dandruff and itching has actually stopped. So guys, like if your clove water is not giving you this dark brownish color, then I'm sorry, you need to make it give you this color. Okay, so now I'm going to be pouring my cloves water back into my spray bottle. So guys, this is the quantity of clove spray we're going to be working with for this video, and the clove seed that I've sieved out, I just put them in the fridge, but I'm actually thinking of putting it back into my cloves bottle to use it like that on my hair. Or what do you think? Please leave comments in the comment section. And yes, before I forget, I cannot forget this part. Even if you're using you're working with the clove water, or you're using the clove oil, please make sure to dilute it with an essential oil. I'm going to be working with almond oil for this video. And why do I say that you should dilute it with an essential oil? Clove is very potent, and it can cause skin irritations like burns when you use it in an undiluted form, especially if you have a very sensitive skin. So it's always best you dilute it with carrier oil. So I'm going to be working with almond oil. Almond oil has a lot of benefits for the skin, like I've talked about it here on my channel before. Almond oil is an emollient. It has essential fatty acids that helps in moisturizing the scalp and strands. It softens, it straightens, and it repairs hair damages. So after diluting it with oil, then I'm going to shake it properly, then we can now use it on the hair.
Hi guys, so now I'm going to be applying it first on my hair. As you can see how my hair looks like.
Forgive me guys, the hair is actually looking like this because it's a week now and I'm not so good with making hair, so we just have to manage it like that. So I'm losing it now. Yes, I've actually wanted to use this Brazilian wool. I use Brazilian wool to actually straighten my hair, and as you can see my hair is already sectioned already, so I don't really need to start sectioning it again and applying it. I'm so happy with the length of at which my hair is actually growing. If you know my hair before and now, you will say okay, there's an improvement. That thing that is actually giving me joy is the fact that my hair is actually looking very thick. Like I could remember, was it like some months back when I actually loosed my hair, like it was looking so weak as if it wanted to cut or something, but this method has actually helped to straighten my hair and repair every hair damage. As you can see, I'm combing my hair and my hair is not cutting. The joy in it. So guys, this method is something that you should try out. Come on, like if you've been doing it, put down in your comment section like how has Cloves been on your hair. And yes, while using this clove spray, do not just spray it on the strands of your hair. Make sure you're spraying it directly on your scalp, okay, so that you can get all the maximum benefits of the clove spray. So after doing this, I decided to comb my hair out, like comb out the section, so that I'll be able to massage it thoroughly into my scalp. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to massage it thoroughly. Every part of my scalp must be touched, and guys, I'm really loving how thick and full my hair is looking. And yes, natural hair will always be natural hair. Shrinkage is just inevitable. And after washing off your hair, yes, and I forgot to also tell you guys, I left the Cloves hairspray on my hair for about 20 minutes before washing it off. After washing it off, please and please, I beg you, make sure that you moisturize your hair with a very good hair moisturizer to avoid extreme dryness on your scalp and break it because of the Cloves hairspray that you can use, because it can be over drying sometimes on the scalp. Okay, so I'm using this my avocado hair butter and hair moisturizer. Yes, I actually love this hair moisturizer a lot because it's infused with shea butter, avocado butter, and also avocado oil. It actually helps to keep my scalp so moisturized and shiny all day long. So guys, this is the finishing look. As you can see, my scalp looks neat and my hair looks shiny. Please, like I said, I'm only good in making hair. Even the way I cut the hair is not looking straight, but at least I was able to twist my hair. So guys, I actually love this treatment a lot, because for the fact that my scalp doesn't itch me after washing, it's just a whole lot for me. So guys, this is something that you must try, especially if you suffer from itchy scalp and dandruff. Time for the face application. As you can see, I've already washed my face. So now after washing my face, now I'm going to be using my cotton wool. If you have a cotton pad, you can use it. Then I'm going to pour some of it into it, then apply it around my face. There, anywhere you have, if you have pimples or rashes anywhere around that area, do so to apply it there, because it acts as a face cleanser and it also exfoliates the face. So after using it on your face, you can leave it for about 30 minutes before you wash it off. Okay, so that's gonna be all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching up to this point. If you really found this video really helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.